Hello guys, today we will see what is equals method and hash code method. Both are parent class method, which is super class of all the classes in Java. So by default, this student class also HTML object class. So let us create two fields. And constructor will initialize this field. So let us create the object of this class. So let us call object equals method. So what do you think? What would be our output? So as the both class properties are same, so you might think that this will return true because this should be treated as same object, but JVM will treat this as a different object, although their field are same. So that's why we have to override equals method. So we can provide implementation according to our need. Take object type agents, object class type agents. So we will check that object that this reference is not null. And the class name should be shame. If that the case, that the object is null and class name is also not same, that time we will return the false. And now because it is taking object class type reference, so then we have downcast is to the student class, so we can access its members. Downcasting. Now we will check each value. This point to the current class object. So it's already, and because string we will call string equals method. Now this will return to we have more written equals method, and this is very helpful in collections. Now we have to override equals method too, because suppose we are using hash map where two objects are equal, but the hash code will be generated different, so it will store in different buckets. So although the equal method you have written, but the hash code will be generated different, because code by default generated by the reference number of objects. So these two are have different reference numbers, so the hash code will be generated different. So we have to override the hash code too. And it return type is int. And it is very helpful. We have to do that. So we have to return there is object class and there is objects utility method. So we have to call the utility method objects take field ID name. We import the class. So now if we will check a dot code, so the hash code will be the same, so it will also return true. And let's check where it is helpful. Suppose we have a hash map. Okay. And we call put method. So we have to put first object a. This is a is key. Now what is the value? So first object so if we print gem, so here you will see only second value is the second object is only stored here. Why? Because it ignored the first object. Because you find it duplicates. When you store first, it store the first object, then the hash code is generated. Then hash code is the same. Then you take the equal method. Equal method return that these two objects value are also same. So then the first class objects is replaced with second class object. So only the unique value will be stored in a hash map. And this is very helpful in memory management and everywhere. So that is very helpful, and this is what hash code and equal method. And let us see, we can also return here anything that is same. Let us return here. You can return also here 100. It will be same. Then also this will be done. Okay. And suppose we have not overridden this, then what will happen? Let us see. If we have not overridden this, then the two objects will be stored, and this will result in not use and it will result in excess memory usage, and it is not a right implementation. So that's it. Thank you guys.